Looking for a way to streamline your project management? Well, SuiteDash might be the answer you're looking for. In this video, I'll show you exactly how SuiteDash can make managing projects a lot smoother, and stick around till the end, because I'll also share some great alternatives that might just work better for your specific goals. SuiteDash brings together all your project management tools into one platform. It's a powerful way to manage client relationships, track projects, and keep your team on the same page. You'll get everything from CRM to project management features that can help simplify your workflow. The first thing that sets SuiteDash apart is its all-in-one nature. Instead of juggling multiple tools for invoicing, communication, file sharing, and task management, SuiteDash combines it all. This means less time spent switching between apps and more time actually working on what matters. Next thing is the client portal. SuiteDash allows you to create a branded, client-facing portal. This is a game changer for communication and transparency. Clients can view invoices, track project progress, and upload necessary files all from one place. It's professional, sleek, and easy to navigate. Then there's the task management system. SuiteDash offers a customizable dashboard that allows you to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress with a clear overview. It's designed to keep you focused on what's most important, with all the details organized in a single view. Another useful feature is the automation SuiteDash provides. You can automate routine processes, like sending follow-up emails or reminders for upcoming tasks and deadlines. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's be real, while SuiteDash does a lot, it may not be perfect for every user. It's more complex than some other project management tools out there. If you're a smaller team or just need something super simple, it might take a little time to get the hang of everything. Next thing you might want to consider is the price. SuiteDash offers a lot of features, but for many, it might be overkill if you're just looking for basic project management. You'll get the best value if you're planning to fully use the CRM and client portal features, but it can be a bit pricey compared to some more straightforward alternatives. For those of you who don't want to commit just yet, don't worry. SuiteDash offers an extended free trial that gives you a taste of everything before you make a decision. Now, before you decide, there are some alternatives that might work better depending on your needs. Tools like Trello or Monday.com might give you a more user-friendly experience for lighter project management. If you're really focused on automation, something like ClickUp could take your project management to the next level without the complexity of SuiteDash. But if you're set on SuiteDash, I've got great news. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial, plus some amazing additional benefits that are only available to our viewers. And if you're still unsure, check out the alternatives I mentioned. They also come with free trials. So, whether you choose SuiteDash or one of the alternatives, the key to streamlining your project management is finding the right tool for the job. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the best deals and trials.